Hello dear students, this is Neeraj Paul from Albion Public School, Gola Bazaar, Gorakhpur. Once again I welcome you to online classes. Today we will discuss about processing device. Okay, yesterday we have learnt about computer hardware. Let us quick revise. Dear students, the part of computer which can be seen or touched, that is called hardware. Computer hardware is classified into three different groups: input devices, processing devices, output devices. As you all know students, the devices that are used to input data in a computer system, that is called input devices, such as keyboard, mouse, light pen, joystick. These all are the input devices. Okay, keyboard is an essential part of computer system. Okay, there are two type of keyboard. First is QWERTY keyboard and second is multimedia keyboard. Okay, mouse. A computer mouse has two buttons and one scroll button. You can see on the mouse there are two buttons, left button and right button. And dear students, there are two type of mouse. First is mechanical mouse and second is optical mouse. Okay, light pen. Dear students, a light pen is a digital pen. It is used to point, select and draw object by placing it directly on the computer screen. One more thing, a light pen is used only with the CRT monitor. It is commonly used by engineers, architect, fashion designer and teachers while teaching on the smart board. Okay, now we will start the topic, that is processing devices. Dear students, a computer has only one processing device, that is CPU. CPU is stand for Central Processing Unit. Okay, CPU is the only one processing device of a computer, and CPU is stand for Central Processing Unit. Okay, this is the full form of CPU. CPU is stand for Central Processing Unit. It is only one processing device in a computer system. Dear students, the processing device does all the calculation and comparison of data and finally displays the output on the monitor. It is store data and information saved in a computer. Dear students, a CPU is divided into three parts on the basis of their functioning. Students, a CPU is divided into three parts. Okay, first is MU, second is ALU and third is CU. Okay, a CPU, Central Processing Unit, is divided in three groups. First is MU, second is ALU, and third is CU. Students, MU is stand for memory unit. ALU is stand for arithmetic logical unit. Sorry. And CU is stand for control unit. Okay, these are the full form of MUs, ALU and CU. MU is stand for memory unit, ALU is stand for arithmetic logic unit, and CU is stand for control unit. Okay students, now let us discuss about MU. What is MU? Dear students, MU stores data and instruction which can be recalled anytime when you want. MU, that is memory unit, stores data and instruction which can be recalled anytime when you want. And second, ALU, that is stand for arithmetic logical unit. Arithmetic logical unit, it does all the arithmetic calculation such as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Students, it perform logical operation, for example finding the greater number, smallest number and so on. Third is CU. CU is stand for control unit. Dear students, it controls and manages the functioning of all the part of a computer. You can say control unit control the function of a computer. Okay students, so this is the parts of CPU. There are three parts of CPU. First is MU, second is ALU and third is CU. Now the next topic is output devices. Okay, next topic is output devices. Our next topic is output devices. Dear students, output devices shows the information or data entered into a computer and also display the result after processing. Once again, listen me carefully. Output devices show information or data that is entered to a computer and also display the result after processing. Output devices are monitor, printer, plotter. These all are the output devices. Monitor is an output device, printer is an output device, and plotter is also an output device. Monitor, we will discuss about monitor. What is a monitor? Monitor is an output device. Nowadays there are three types of monitor. There are three types of monitor. First is CRT, second is LCD and third is LED. There are three types of monitor. First is CRT, second is LCD and third is LED. Okay? Students, there are three types of monitor. First is CRT, second is LCD, and third is LED. There are three types of monitor. First is CRT, second is LCD, and third is LED. Okay, CRT is stand for cathode ray tube. Okay, LCD stand for liquid crystal display, and LED stand for light emitting diode. Okay, these all are the full form of CRT, LCD, and LED. Okay students, now the time has gone over for today. Next day we will discuss about printer, that is also an output device. Okay students, till then goodbye, have a nice day.